Under Resource Management, select the SIM Overview category to view your SIM inventory. Set the filter to ICCID. Then enter the SIM card number and click Use Filter to find the SIM card or SIM cards to be labeled. Select the Change Info Fields action and confirm it. You can now select the info fields and enter your details there. Next, select all the filtered SIM cards and carry out the action. Then click on Change Action to return to the main overview. The SIM card or SIM cards are now labeled.